When your BMW is involved in an accident, getting it repaired isn't just about fixing the damage. It's about restoring the precision, performance, and safety of your vehicle. At Patrick Auto Body and Collision Center, we specialize in BMW-certified automotive repair, bringing your vehicle back to its pre-loss condition with unmatched expertise. As a certified BMW collision repair center, we follow strict, manufacturer-approved repair procedures. This means that every repair meets BMW's exact factory standards. We only use genuine BMW parts, ensuring your vehicle maintains its original integrity, performance, and value. Our facility is equipped with industry-leading technology, from advanced diagnostic systems to precision measuring instruments to specialized welding tools and paint systems designed specifically for BMW vehicles. Our technicians are continuously trained and BMW certified, ensuring that they stay up to date on all the latest techniques and innovations in the industry. Every detail matters, from structural repairs to paint matching, so that your BMW looks the same way it came off the factory floor. When it comes to your BMW, don't settle for anything other than certified excellence. Schedule your appointment today at Patrick Auto Body and Collision Center.